MetaMask Binance Smart Chain tutorial, how to add BNB to your MetaMask. Hi guys, welcome back. Today I'm giving you a quick tutorial on how to add BNB Network to your MetaMask wallet to buy and sell on BNB. So let's get started. First, what you have to do is you guys will open up your MetaMask wallet and you will get right here. On our MetaMask, the default blockchain that we get is Ethereum. And we can switch between different networks if we have any other network. So we want to add Binance Smart Chain, which is a very famous network, and we require it for a lot of different purposes. In order to add a new network, you will click right here and then click on add network. Here we can add a custom network. So we are adding BNB, so we can add our network name as Smart Chain. Then we have new RPC URL. To get the URL, what you guys need to do is simply go to your Google and search for BNB MetaMask or Binance Smart Chain MetaMask and click on the first link. It will take you right here to academy.binance.com, and what you guys need to do is simply scroll down to these details right here. So here we have our own RPC URL. We just need to copy this one. So that's what I'm gonna do. Now, get back to our MetaMask, paste the link here. This is our RPC link. The chain ID for BNB is 56. So you have to enter that. Currency symbol is going to be again BNB. And then we have an Blog Explorer URL. This is optional. If you want to add it, you can. If you want to ignore this, for now, I'm not gonna do that. And we're just gonna, leave this option. Once the details are added, these are the details. Feel free to pause the video and add the details. Click on save and BNB network will be added to your MetaMask. There you go. Smart Chain was successfully added and now I can buy, send and swap on BNB using my MetaMask. I can also switch between the networks. You can see we have Ethereum mainnet and Smart Chain on my MetaMask. I hope that I was a big help. Don't forget to give this video a big thumbs up, leave a comment down below, turn on bell notification, and subscribe to Software Made Easy.